Welcome back to Endless Cooking. Today I have a cheesy garlic bread recipe for you. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I hope you enjoy the video and let's get started. First, we will be making the spread of this cheesy garlic bread. You'll need 1 tablespoon scallion, 25 grams butter, 1 to 2 garlic cloves finely chopped. You can use more garlic if you like. A pinch of salt and black pepper. Soften the batter. Add the salt, garlic, black pepper, and scallion in. Mix them up well and set aside. We will be using it later on to spread on our dough. Now, we will be making the dough. You'll need 180 grams of bread flour. You can also use all-purpose flour if you do not have bread flour. 2 to 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped. This is optional if you want to add more garlic later on. 100 ml of warm milk, 15 grams softened butter, 25 grams sugar, 3 grams salt, 1 medium egg, 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. You can adjust the amount yourself. If you like cheese, feel free to put more. 4 grams instant yeast, and 2 pieces of cheddar cheese. This is also optional. Get your bowl of bread flour and add the salt in, the sugar, and the yeast in. Mix them up after you add each ingredient. Now, add the milk, butter, and egg in. Mix them up for about 5 minutes. It should look something like this. Sprinkle some flour on your working surface and get the dough out. Knead it for about 10 minutes. Sprinkle more flour if it's too sticky. I am using the spatula to help scrape the dough that sticks on the surface. Put the dough back into the bowl that it came from. Cover it with a cloth and put it aside for 45 to 60 minutes, allowing it to rise. After 45 to 60 minutes, your dough should double in size. Sprinkle a little flour on the dough and knead it again for another 5 minutes. After that, cover it with a cloth and let it rest 10 minutes. This is to let the dough relax a little. After 10 minutes, remove the cloth and start flattening the dough out into the rectangle shape with a pin roller. Find the middle of the dough and softly mark it. Take the mixture we made from the very beginning and spread over half of the dough. Here's where you can add the extra garlic in, if you want. Fold the dough together and seal it up. Now, add the cheese on top. You can add more cheese if you like. Carefully roll the dough from the top to the bottom. Keep the cheese inside. Make sure to seal the end so nothing will fall out. Mark the dough into 4 to 6 pieces and cut. I recommend 4 because 6 pieces might just be too small. It will be too dry inside after you cook it. Put them in an oven tray. Make sure they do not fall over. Once you have everything in, Cover it with cling wrap and allow it to rest for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, it should rise again and have little to no room next to each roll. But that's okay because that is what we want. Take up the cling wrap and add cheddar cheese on top. This step is optional. If you don't like cheddar cheese, you can skip this step or replace it with another types of cheese. Place the optional cheese on top of the rolls. I'm garnishing mine with some scallion. Bake it at a preheated oven of 180 degrees for 13 to 15 minutes. Baking time and temperature may vary depending on your oven. Here's the end product. Ta-da! Thanks for watching my video and making till the end. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a comment of what you think this recipe. Goodbye!